Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back with another video. Today's video I am going to show you beautiful room decoration. I hope you will like this video. If you like, so don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon so that I can bring for you beautiful video. So let's start the video without wasting any time, and don't forget to comment me down for I will bring beautiful videos for you. So let's start the video. So you can see the first, you can see this picture. You can see the white color wall, the gate, the door, and all very beautiful. This also you can see the bed. The bed, you can see the table, you can see the chair, and all very beautiful. The bed also in black color, white color, beautiful. This also you can see the black color bed, the white color wall, the frame you can see photo frame, beautiful. The mirror window is there, beautiful play decoration. This is also very beautiful decoration. You can see the black color wall and the mirror. It is there window. This also you can see blue color, the black color fan, the bed black color, beautiful decoration. I like this one also, very beautiful. This one also you can see very beautiful. You can see the small mirror, you can see beautiful mirror, beautiful decoration. This one also you can see very beautiful. You can see the fan and all, very beautiful fan, the bed, the floor mat, everything is very beautiful. You can see you can see the green color, very beautiful. It's also very beautiful. You can see the white color bed, the wall, and the mirror, the lamps, and all very beautiful, very good looking luxury room. It's also, it is a normal small room, but it's very beautiful. You can see the lamp, the black color lamp. There are also side lamp, beautiful lamp, and the table, beautiful. It's also very beautiful. You can see this silver color, green color wall. It's also very beautiful. You can see the white color, the cat. You can see beautiful cat, very sweet cat, very beautiful looking design. It's also very beautiful room. You can see the silver color bed and all, and the curtain you can see. This also in pink color, very beautiful. You can see the stars, the lines are going here and there, beautiful. The floor is wooden theme. This is also very beautiful. The cupboard, the chair, the lamps, bed, and all in white color theme, very beautiful. I love this one also. This is also very beautiful. You can see the up lamp. You can see black color. It is a candle. It is very beautiful. You can see in the bed blue color. This is also very beautiful. Green color wall, cupboard, and all very beautiful. Very beautiful. The floor is wood color, white color theme. So I hope you like this video. If you like, so don't forget to comment and press the bell icon so that I can bring for you beautiful videos and you will get notification first. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Take care and goodbye.